This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for September 30th, 2024. It's currently July 16th, 2024, 5:24 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $564.86, that's USD. And the file for the September 30th reading was created on June 27th, 2024 at 1:05 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme of behavior for the 30th, there's an important support level on a multi-day scale that's highlighted. Generally speaking, you can rely upon the support. We'll have to look at it in more detail to be able to see if that's one of those cases. But behavior on the high, we have a sharp drop off of the high. It looks like that sharp drop is somehow counteracted. Behavior around the lowest low for the day, we have a period of volatility and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. And I'm advised to trade around a big move to the upside, reaching for a distant resistance level. Now, we're going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior, as well as timing the highs, the lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before we do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. And we do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. It's a threefold agreement between the universe and anybody utilizing this information for personal gain. Nothing wrong with gaining from this information as long as you are simultaneously helping other people. So the way that you do that is you go to our website, Tarot for Traders, to the resources tab. 5% of all profits should be donated forward to one of these charities here. Just click a link and donate. It's super easy. And 5% of the profits should be donated back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use the app Wise. It's reliable. Or you can use crypto. There's a ton of different QR codes for crypto donations. It leaves you at 90%. That's way more than a stockbroker would ever leave you with. With that said, guys, make sure to follow through on that rule of karma. As long as you do that, the universe considers you an angel investor in the channel. It's going to set it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we open higher. There's a failed attempt that we move to the upside. Failed attempt to break through resistance, followed by a decline through key support into the open, where we're at a low, a significant low at the open, and there's a big move out of that low into the first half hour, into the second hour, into the 10 to 11 o'clock hour, where we rally into key resistance, and then we decline from it really notably into a low, another low for the day there between 10 and 11. Out of that low, though, there's a huge move to the upside from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range. A cash out opportunity there in the midst of that move to the upside. That'll be a cash out opportunity for the long position that was open towards the end of the day on the 27th over the weekend. Or you could hold it if you've got risk tolerance. We have bearish price swings midday between 12 and 1. And then after those bearish price swings, a big move to the upside, reaching for distant resistance. That's probably the best place to close out in a long position if you have the tolerance to wait for that. Rally continues along a diagonal trend line between 2 and 3, breaking through at least 2 resistance levels into another peak just after 3 o'clock. And we're bound by the upper end of a range there around 3 o'clock, where we attempt to establish support with some sideways rotation and some crisscrossing back and forth through the same price level 3 times. At the close, looks like there's a move to another move to the upside, confirming a bullish trend, but that doesn't appear like it holds over into the first trading day of the next month. Looks like we have a lower price level on the following trading day. But several places to open up or to close long positions. I would look to open up a short in the midst of this big move to the upside, reaching for distant resistance. I would look to open up a short for an overnight swing right there, and maybe add to that short if we come back to it, or a better opportunity just before the close. And that's SPY for September 30th, 2024. Thank you so much for supporting the channel by following through on the rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.